Yeah, shout out to my man's Nehemiah. He a very great student, very great student. He'll never be in class, but I'm going to get him there. He going to get there real soon. You watching TMA.
Man, Thomas, I can't believe we're actually hosts of a TMA show.
I know, right? TMA is awesome.
It's just so much to work on. It's just so awesome.
I know, right? I'm excited to see what the TV ones will do next year. The show's just done so much for me. It's like how life has had a total 180.
You mean 360?
Do you not know how a circle works, Willem?
Yeah, okay, whatever you say, bro. How about you take a breather and we'll just start the show in a second.
Yeah, I think I can do that.
All right, see you guys in a second.
I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated. Please pause for the moment of silence.
Hey Titans, I'm Willem Schultz.
And I'm Thomas Troche. It's Tuesday, December 12th, and you're watching TMA.
So, to give a little context, I had a lot of schoolwork to do last night, so we're just going to go straight to the announcements.
How about I just keep talking and you can sit there until we do the announcements?
No, you can't do that because I specifically made it so I have more words in the script because I'm superior.
Whatever, seems fair enough. Let's just go to the announcements. Today's Spirit Day theme is Iced Out. Sophomores and seniors wear white, freshmen and juniors wear blue, like me. Tomorrow's theme is Twinter Day. Here are the leadership team to explain it to you.
Heyo!
It's Dane.
It's David.
And tomorrow, Wednesday, December 13th.
Grab a friend and dress like a twin.
Also during lunch, we're going to be playing winter movie themed trivia.
For some sweet prizes.
Thank you, leadership team. Do you think you know all about your favorite holiday movies? Are you super good at trivia? Well, participate in the TMA Holiday Movie Trivia. Every day, a trivia question will be posted on our Instagram story at Titan_media_crew. DM the correct answer to us, and the first person to answer the question correctly will win a special prize and be announced on the next day's social media story as our winner. May the odds be in your favor.
The ACHS Music Department has an upcoming concert, a choir concert on the 13th at 7:30 and winter assemblies on the 14th at 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. The choir concert is open to everyone, and doors will be open at 7. Please sign up for the winter assemblies using the link in the description.
Juniors and seniors interested in applying for the ACHS chapter of the National Honor Society, check your email for a message inviting you to apply. If you meet the minimum cumulative GPA of 3.5 to apply, you will have received an email detailing club and application requirements. If you have not received an email in the past few weeks, unfortunately, you are not eligible to apply this year, but you can try again next year. Sadly, I don't meet those requirements.
Titans, PBIS will be hosting a PBIS hot cocoa bar with snacks, music, fun, and games to celebrate the positive things you all have been doing to demonstrate Titan pride. Teachers, staff, and you can nominate yourself and your friends. The link to submit is in the description. The first 20 that submit and meet the criteria will be given a pass to attend. Cheers!
Did you know several ACHS clubs and organizations are giving back this week? Join them as they celebrate the season of giving this week. Donation boxes can be found in the main office and various academies around the building. Show some Titan gratitude by donating now through December 15th.
The Marine Conservation Club is still holding its t-shirt drive. Donate old t-shirts to the club to turn into reusable bags. Donation boxes are in A218 in the main office.
Interact is still running a food drive and a coat drive until December 15th. There are boxes located in the main office and classroom B103. For more information, see the flyers posted all over the school.
Today, Mexicans and Mexican Americans celebrate the feast day of Our Lady of Guadalupe, the patron saint of Mexico, who symbolizes patriotism and devotion. Millions of pilgrims typically visit the Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe in December to celebrate the festival.
As TMA continues to celebrate Native American Heritage Month, we present a recitation of a poem written by N. Scott Momaday. Part of the Kiowa tribe, Momaday is credited with starting the Native American Renaissance with a 1969 novel, House Made of Dawn. At 89 years old, he's won dozens of awards, including the Pulitzer, and his work continues to celebrate indigenous tradition.
The Delight Song of Soitali, written by N. Scott Momaday.
I'm a feather on the bright sky.
I am the blue horse that runs in the plain.
I am the fish that rolls, shining in the water.
I'm the shadow that follows a child. I am the evening light, the luster of meadows.
I am an eagle playing in the wind.
I am a cluster of bright beads.
I am the farthest star.
I am the cold of dawn.
I am the roaring of the rain.
I am the glitter of the crust of the snow.
I am the long track of the moon in a lake.
I am a flame of 4 colors.
I am a deer standing away in the dusk.
I'm a field of sumac in the palm blanche.
I am the angle of the geese in the winter sky.
I am the hunger of a young wolf.
I am the whole dream of these things.
You see, I am alive. I am alive.
I stand in good relation to the earth. I stand in good relation to the gods.
I stand in good relation to all that is beautiful.
You see, I am alive. I am alive.
Thanks to TMA producer Gryphon Magnus and his team, Genevieve Anderson, RJ Diaz-Paz, and Ben Del Negra for creating this package for us. We continue to honor Native American history and culture with another poem later this week. Well, that seems like all we have. Besides, of course, the announcement, there are only 4 days of winter break until winter break left, of course.
Well, that's great. Can't wait to enjoy our weeks off, and never return to the show.
What do you mean we'll never return to the show?
It's too soon, Thomas. I'll talk to you later.
All right. Sean, I'm going to be doing New Year's Eve.
What will you do, Thomas?
It has to do with music.
Like a album called Music or something?
Exactly.
Well, that's all the time we have for today, Titans. I'm Willem Schultz.
And I'm Thomas Troche.
And you're watching TMA.
Baba Booey. Oh?
Prompter just